Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video of Kneading with Franco. Today, we're going to talk about something which is really important. The topic of today is slap and fold. Hang on a second, Franco. I don't want to hurt anybody. No, don't worry. You're not going to hurt anybody. Slap and fold, it's an essential technique for every baker. And it's essential for your dough, and I'll explain why in details. I'm going to reveal two secrets that every baker should absolutely know in order to make the perfect dough every time, regardless if you're making pizza, bread, a focaccia, anything. And this is especially important if you're making a high hydration dough. I'm going to explain why. As I said, when you make a high hydration dough, you have always the problem that has it ever happened to you that you take a look at the dough, you finish kneading, and you see that your dough is stringy, is crumbly, and it doesn't hold together. It's not flat, it's not smooth, and the surface, it's all rough. Has it ever happened to you? Right, let's have a look why it's important to use the slap and fold technique. It's a technique that allows you, again, as the word says, to slap the dough, to beat it essentially on top of the worktop, and then to fold it onto itself in order to create some tension in the dough and also to make it smooth. But then there is another secret, which is one of the best secrets, one of the most important secrets. I'm wondering, how is it possible that everyone doesn't know this? I mean, it's essential for every baker. And this is, hang on a second. If you want to know what secret is that, subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram. You can find me there as Kneading with Franco with some exclusive content. And then keep on watching the video till the end because I'm going to reveal the secret in a second. Right, so you've kneaded your dough and this is the texture that it has. It doesn't matter if you knead it with a stand mixer, with a spiral mixer, this is the texture that it has. How to fix it? Wet your hand, like that, slightly. Put your dough on top of the worktop and start applying some slap and fold. So you slap it because you beat the dough onto the worktop, and then you pull it like that, and then you fold it on top of itself. This is essential. Why? Because by beating, folding, and pulling the dough, you're going to create so much tension that is going to increase and help the development of the gluten network. And this is going to help also to incorporate the air which is necessary to create the open crumb of the dough. Again, regardless if it's pizza, if it's a focaccia, if it's whatever baking product, whatever product you have to bake. Take a look at the dough, how smooth it is now after a couple of slap and fold. A bonus secret is just because you stayed with me to watch the video till the end. Do you usually make some high hydration dough, something like 70 or 75%? Right, so you want to hear this. But it's especially important when you're working with high hydration dough to make some slap and folds. Why? Because by making some slap and folds technique, you give so much tension to the dough. You give that extra bit of tension that is going to allow you to work with the dough much easier. Because after you apply a couple of slap and folds, you're going to be able to manage it better. It's not going to be sticky anymore to the worktop. It's not going to stick, I promise. And after a small pause, after a resting period, you're going to be able to do whatever you want with your dough. It's going to be manageable. It's going to be, you can give it the shape that you want it to, and you can keep on kneading, or you can just shape it up just in case you're making some sourdough bread. And also, in case you're making pizza, this is going to help for another reason. By making some foldings to the dough, you're going to incorporate the extra air, and you're going to give that extra bit of tension to your dough, which is going to prevent the dough balls from collapsing. Has it ever happened to you that after you knead your dough, after you leave your dough balls to rest for 4 or 5 hours at room temperature, eventually when you're going to uncover them, you're going to find them that they are collapsed and they are not workable. They're all sticky. They don't have any structure. They didn't hold the gases. Right. So by making the slap and fold, you give that extra bit of tension to the dough. You incorporate some more air. The air is going to be trapped inside the gluten network of the dough, which in turn is going to be more resistant. And this is going to prevent the dough balls from collapsing. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is the red button just below this video. It's really easy to find and it's free, and you can support me. I've noticed that the majority of the people who are watching my content are not subscribed to my channel. This is going to help me a lot. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Smash the like button, as someone else would have said, and follow me on Instagram. You can find me there as Kneading with Franco. There's going to be some exclusive content every day for you. See you next time.